Hi everyone, it is nice to see you again in writing course. What we are going to discuss for today is comparative in writing and essay. Okay, let's start. There are a lot of ways used by people to write, and one of them is comparative. It's used to express their idea by showing proportionate increase or decrease, showing equal in some way, and describing a continuous change. Next, commonly, people use comparative degree to compare something or someone. In this case, or in this lesson, we are going to have a look how another types of comparative can be used to improve the quality of sentence in paragraph. The comparative we are going to discuss are 1. As, 2. Comparative and comparative, 3. The comparative, blah blah, the comparative. What do they mean? Let's have a look. First, as. What is the function? How to use it? We use as adjective or adverb as to make comparison when the things we are comparing are equal in some ways. Take a look at the example. He is grown so much. He is as tall as his father now. The team is still as good as it was 5 years ago. The second game didn't go as well as the first one. If the sales figures are as bad as predicted, the company will probably go bankrupt. How do you find it? It's easy, isn't it? What you compare are, and we continue to the next. Comparative and comparative. What is the function? Repeating comparative adjectives describe a continuous change. Change can happen to different degrees. Take a look at the example. There are more and more people coming to this vacation spot. It seems like there is less and less time to spend with the family these days. Recently, people are finding more and more time to spend with their families. This comparative or this comparison is to describe continuous change. More and more indicate there is a change with the number of people. Less and less, there is a decrease. More and more, there is an increase. Change. This is also easy. You need to understand how to make a comparative in your sentence. Then you combine with and. And the next is the comparative, blah blah blah, the comparative. How to use this? Comparison and contrast are expressed by the use of the with comparative adjectives in parallel clauses. This structure is used to show proportionate increase or decrease. Take a look at the example. The easier the test is, the longer students will wait to prepare. The faster the car is, the more dangerous it is to drive. The crazier the idea is, the more fun it is to try. The more difficult the task is, the sweeter it is to succeed. We use this to show proportional increase or decrease. The easier, the longer. The faster, the more. The crazier, the more. The more difficult, the sweeter. What you need to know is only how to use comparative and how to make comparative. Don't forget to put the before comparative like this. The easier, the faster, the crazier, the more. And it is used to show proportionate increase or decrease. And are you ready to apply this in a paragraph? I think so. Okay, take a look at the use of comparative below in writing an essay about tourism in one paragraph. In writing a paragraph, you start it from topic sentence. Take a look. This is a topic sentence. Developing tourism is one of the ways to improve regional income. This topic sentence talking about developing tourism, improve regional income, and we need to support this topic sentence with comparative. Take a look at the first supporting sentence. One of the effects by developing the tourism is that of district will be more and more crowded. In this sentence, more and more crowded give explanation why we need to develop tourism. The second supporting sentence is the more tourists visit an area in the district, the more developed the area would be. Moreover, it would improve the economy of people. The more tourists visit, the more developed the area. This supporting sentence is also used to support developing tourism, improve regional income with the comparative, the comparative to show proportionate increase. And the conclusion, therefore, it is important to develop the area in district as fast as possible in order to improve the income of people as fast as is used to show equality, equal, as fast as equal. Yes, that's it that I can explain about how you use comparative degree or comparative in improving the quality of your writing. That's all my explanation, and thank you very much and have a good time.